very much believe that this participation by the community has been an important element of Rwanda's development. So it was a very good opportunity for us to be involved in a community where we have also worked.
I would like to first start by thanking UNICEF Rwanda for inviting Imbuto Foundation to join. Umuganda is a great way for us to come and plug in this message of the importance of ECD. Parents can really understand the importance of it and take full ownership of what's happening, because a center is only viable as long as parents can also come and take part in it.
And we had a particular focus on early childhood development to create a safe and protective environment for the children involved in ECD, but also to give back to the community that has made ECD such a high priority.
I believe that the program of ECD is already well accepted at the national level, and I see Umuganda as just one more layer that allows us as members of the civil society to really come back and meet with the residents of the different districts and once again speak about the importance of the ECD. These messages of course focus on the wellness of the child, the importance of positive parenting, and for us to be able to also come afterwards and meet with the other residents and take part in the general conversation.
And we just want to say thank you again to the community for welcoming us so warmly with them today, as well as our partners for the work we do in early childhood development in Rwanda.